In a world where our potential often remains untapped, where growth and healing seem just out of reach, there exists a hidden secret. A secret buried beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. A secret that holds the key to unlocking our truest selves. Imagine, my friends, a life where your mind, body, and spirit are not only awake, but harmoniously aligned. A life where you awaken every fiber of your being to its fullest potential. A life where growth and healing flourish in ways you never thought possible. But here's the common problem. All too often, we find ourselves trapped within the limitations of our own minds. We struggle to break free from the shackles that hold us back, yearning for something more. And little do we know, the solution lies within us, waiting to be unlocked. Deeper than the layers of mindset work and beneath the intricate regulation of our body's nervous system lies the root of our deepest growth and healing potential. It is here, within the very essence of our being, that our spiritual DNA lies, patiently awaiting the opportunity to fully awaken. When we step into this transformative awakening, when our mind, body, and spirit align and activate in harmony, we shed the layers of limitation that have held us captive for far too long. We unwrap all of who we are and embrace the magnificent beings we have been designed to be. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the mysteries that reside beneath the surface of our being. Get ready to awaken your mind, ignite your body, and activate your spirit as we embark on a transformative odyssey of self-realization and empowerment. But we can't do it alone. We need your support to reach more hearts and minds in search of growth and healing. If you find this intro teaser intriguing, we kindly request you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you become an integral part of our mission to empower individuals on their path to self-realization and transcendence. All right, let's begin. Did you know that as humans, we only utilize approximately 5% of our DNA? That's right. According to geneticists worldwide, the remaining 95% is often referred to as junk DNA. But is it really just junk? But what if this so-called junk DNA held a treasure trove of distinctive information and untapped potential waiting to be discovered? What if it was more than just random strands of genetic material? These questions have led to the emergence of a fascinating field known as spiritual DNA activation and quantum healing. As we delve deeper into these exciting concepts, we uncover the potential for spiritual growth, healing, and transformation that lies within each of us. By activating and harnessing the power of our junk DNA, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, exploring the depths of our true nature and unlocking the uncharted possibilities that await. Our physical bodies may provide the blueprint for our physical characteristics, but our spiritual essence often remains dormant. Yet, we are not just human beings. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. Imagine a life where we clear away the energetic blocks and heaviness that commonly burden us. What if we could access the profound potential that resides within our spiritual DNA? What if we chose to honor our spiritual inheritance and embrace the ancestral lineage bestowed upon us from birth? What if we truly lived from the inside out? This all can be done by activating our spiritual DNA. What's that? You may ask. I tell you, my friends, DNA activation is an advanced technique that involves reordering and reactivating dormant portions of the double helix strands within our active DNA. This process opens up access to the mind of everything, where anything can be accessed just using intent and intuition. Scientists have found that negative emotions such as fear or stress can contract the DNA molecule, while positive emotions such as gratitude and love will unwind it, thus allowing for greater access to the higher realms of consciousness. Moreover, This activation offers great benefits to physical health, increased intuition, heightened performance and success, as well as raising positive emotional states. It also enables us to use powerful manifesting techniques, such as Neville Goddard's law of assumption or law of attraction, combined with visualization and affirmations to create desired outcomes with ease and grace. DNA activation helps activate the dormant parts of our DNA and allows for new programming to be imprinted in it. This spiritual growth process is believed to increase awareness, boost creativity, bring clarity of focus, enhance peace and understanding, as well as elevate physical energy levels. With this activation, most people notice something different about themselves within a very short time frame. Some even experience physical or emotional healing during the process. As one's vibrational frequency increases following the activation, they are able to attract more people, places, events, and things aligned with their higher vibration into their life, leading to faster manifestation of desired goals and objectives. Activating your DNA also leads to an enhanced spiritual experience when listening to certain sound frequencies such as solfeggio scales, through improved emotional richness and heightened sense perception capabilities, such as telepathy and clairvoyance. On top of these benefits, many have reported increased dreaming vividness, accompanied by greater confidence in oneself, as well as deeper yet fulfilling relationships. Now, my friends, question arises, how is DNA activation done effectively? Let's explore that. Reclaiming and activating your divine DNA is an essential part of self-mastery, unlocking the highest potential within yourself. Taking a few moments to offer permission to yourself for this change will open up higher levels of your energy field, allowing you to command the highest quality divine DNA from all timelines, densities, dimensions, and cellular structures. This will activate specific harmonic tones that increase your vibration for ascension. By speaking aloud or mentally repeating words like "I am fully reclaiming" and expressing the highest version of myself, you are amplifying your ascended state of consciousness across all expressions of self and graces from pure source consciousness. Allowing light patterns reflective of your divine nature to rewrite into form ensures a smooth transition into higher realms. Any lingering residuals still connected to old, outdated layers can be completely released in preparation for future evolution. Reconnecting etherically with rebundling, replication, and restructuring refines current energies towards liberation. Setting new foundations aligned for growth throughout all dimensional aspects expands vibrant vibrational frequencies, which amplify truth beyond basic understandings. Realities exponentially unlock deeper levels altogether unthinkable prior, now opening up unlimited potentials greater than ever before witnessed. Imaginable limitless possibilities await discovery just around the corner. 520. 8's guided meditation is another effective way to activate your spiritual DNA. This powerful meditation allows you to tap into higher levels of consciousness, improving your overall well-being. This meditation is designed to repair, transform, and awaken your energy so that it can be used for spiritual growth. Through this meditation, you can experience a heightened sense of knowing and increased joy throughout your being. As the activation process begins, any need for control or resistance will be released from your system. You'll start feeling that your body heals and transforms quickly, as well as manifesting more nurturing relationships with ease. By the end of this meditation, it's not uncommon for people to feel more clarity in their purpose and an increase in confidence within themselves. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey of unlocking our infinite divine potential and exploring the fascinating realm of DNA activation. We've delved deep into the mysteries that lie within us, discovering the incredible power that resides in our genetic blueprint. By embarking on the path of DNA activation and spiritual growth, we awaken to the profound truth that we are far more than we've ever imagined. It is through this exploration that we shed the layers of limitation and embrace the boundless horizons of our being. If you found this video enlightening and transformative, we kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We want to hear your thoughts and experiences. Share them with us in the comments section below. Your insights and reflections not only enrich our discussions, but also create a space for collective growth and learning. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep embracing your divine potential, and never forget the limitless possibilities that reside within you.